Hello everyone. So I'm going live right now. Let me check and see whether it's that appearing on my stream. Yes. Okay. So today I'll be going to do a demo of a cool app that I found. So let's begin. Hi everyone. Thanks for watching. So I'm using this cool app that I found. It's called Mmhmm. I kid you not, it's really called Mmhmm. So I'm going to show you the website in a while later. So what this app does is, it kind of makes your Zoom or your live streaming more fun, with different kinds of backgrounds, and you can resize your camera on the go, on the fly, and then you can add some text. This is some text with some different styles, so I will show you later in a while the interface of the app itself. So I'm going to show you what it can do. So let me go to the next room. So I'm going to walk myself to the next room so you can see like there's so much cool effects and backgrounds that this app has. So I'm going to move myself into a Game Boy. I do have this Game Boy when I was a kid. So wonder how many of you guys actually have this Game Boy when you're young, and let me know in the comments what kind of games you used to play. So for myself, I play a lot of Pokemon, and this one I'll hide my room under the blanket. I'll try to pretend I'm studying. I'll put this Game Boy in the middle of my books, and then I'll uh, pretend that I'm studying, but actually I'm not. I'm just playing Pokemon. Yeah, so that's something about myself. Okay, and there's a lot of cool rooms here you can explore. I'll show you in a while um, the interface. And what you can do with this app is you can broadcast it to, so I'm using this with OBS. You can also use it with Zoom and all the different kind of applications. You can do screen share. So this is the interface. So I'm going to go and show you the website. Um, so this is the app. It's really called Mmhmm. So you just have to search for MMHMM, and then you see the app itself. And what it does is to make an impression on video. It's a download application, uh, and it's free to use. So you can pay for the premium, which is I think there are more rooms, there are more filters, and you can use the premium tools whenever you want. But for the free version, you can use the premium for 1 hour every day. So there's a countdown timer in the interface. So I'm going to go back to the interface. You will see there's a countdown timer here that will say 1 day left, and then you get or 1 hour left. You can use the premium um, for 1 hour, and then they will kind of like lock all the premium features, and you can use the basic features. So n- I'm not too sure what's the basic features, but uh, I will show you in a while. And so you can do also presentation. So this is I imported a PowerPoint slide, and then you can go through the different slides, you know, and then you can show whether you want to do full screen, you want to do shoulder, or turn off the slides. And then there's so many cool backgrounds to choose from. I'm going to show you in a while. So you can move this thing around, you can drag this around, so you can do it full, you can do it shoulder, or you can do slides off. Okay, so now I'm going to go into screen share mode. You see the interface. So this is the interface of the app. Okay, and you see that there's like more rooms, so you can click on this more rooms, and you can choose a variety of all kinds of rooms that's available. So there are theme rooms, there is like so some are video and some are kind of like static images. So I kind of like um, this few rooms, so I can place myself around anywhere I want, and I can change cherry blossom. So I'm like in Japan, presenting under the cherry blossom, and there are a lot of cool backgrounds they can play around with. I can be inside the box as well. So if you want to present inside the box, by all means. And there are like you can choose different kind of shells, or you can be in a bar, or it can be a pub. So like, this app is pretty awesome in the sense that it makes like your Zoom meetings more fun, and you can choose all kinds of backgrounds you want, right? And not only that, you can also use keyboard shortcuts to move yourself around. So for example, oops, sorry, I can move myself to the left, to the right, to the top. Is it working? To the top and left. I can make myself smaller. Oops, I can make myself bigger. I can make myself smaller. So I can drag myself around wherever I want in the screen to present. So I can move myself to the left, and I don't have to use the. If you have a green screen, it would be better. Right now, I don't have a green screen, so the edges are not too properly cut off, or you can crop yourself in a circle. And okay, for this, I'm going to go back to my previous slide. You can add effects as well. So, for example, you want to add a rainy effect. You want to add this is focus. You can add some static kind of effects to your webcam, or you can do old school type. So this is pretty old school, right? And also you can pixelize yourself if you want to. Yeah, I can play around with the filters. There's so many filters to play around with. Okay, it's not very a lot, but there's like 15, 15 filters. So you can play around with filters, and um, you know, you can move yourself around. You can also make yourself translucent. So if I want to be like a Jedi, like a ghost, I can do that as well. And yeah, so I can change the slides. Oh yeah, so back to this text, I can add text. Um, Let me say hello. Okay. I can change it to different themes. So there's glossy, there's classic, there's a modern theme, there's a neon, which is the one that you've seen earlier. So classic. Then I can choose whether I want a widescreen version. So when I do widescreen, then I'll shift it to this. Um, I can toggle between the slides. I can add images or videos, so I can play like videos on my desktop. I can also do a screen share, which I showed you earlier, and then I can import a PDF, a PowerPoint, and then if I want to import a PowerPoint, it will look something like this, where I can go through the different slides, right? Right now it's off, so I can toggle through the different slides, okay? And yeah, so pretty much it's um, like this. You can move yourself around, and you can do a screen share um, of your screen. Yep. So uh, yeah, do let me know what you think about this app. It's free to download. um, on the Windows there's limited functions, but I think they're going to synchronize both the Mac and the Windows functions. So what the Mac has is that you can invite someone to this room. So um, it's something like StreamYard or BeLive, where you can send a link to the, let's say you want to interview someone, you can send the link to another party, and they can join your screen, um, using the software as well. So that one in the Windows, I think is coming soon. And if you want to broadcast to OBS, then you need to use this broadcast. So what this does is it will open up a additional screen, and then under OBS, okay, you will need to do a window capture, so you'll be able to see your screen. All right. So yep, that's about it. This is it's a very cute name. Um, this app is fun to play with. It will definitely make your Zoom meetings a bit more lively and more fun. Rather than the static backgrounds or the video backgrounds that Zoom has, um, this definitely has way much more rooms that you can actually play with, like the one that I showed you earlier, where I can go through warp tunnel, and I can move myself, and then I can shrink myself into a smaller version of myself, and whoop, I will warp into another room. So this is yep. So there's a lot of static backgrounds you can play around with, and yeah. So I guess this is about it. I can change the. No, this one is nothing. Hmm. Or maybe I can do it direct. Oh, I can't. Okay, I'm not too sure what this does, but somehow it's not working. Yeah. So, alright, I'm gonna end my live right now. I will see you in the next live. Hopefully there'll be more. So I plan to do more such lives where I'll demo some of the cool apps I found, or maybe some of the interesting, um, you know, the solutions to increase your productivity, or maybe um, do videos and from so there'll be a lot of like tech stuff and so on. So but if you let me know in the comments what are things that you want me to show you guys as well. Definitely I'll be planning such kind of videos in the future. So um I know right now it's a bit late. It's I think 12 a.m. But I'll plan to do it more earlier, maybe like 8 or 9. And then that's where you can connect with me. You can we can chit chat and so on. Oops, technical difficulties. So yep. So let me know. So definitely I want to be able to chill out with the audience. And definitely, I will do be my life more frequently, if possible. And yep, so that's the end of my life. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.